What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how you can actually unlock Nordvpn when Netflix is trying to block it out. All right, the reason sometimes this happens is different servers or just different countries, but I'm going to get in and show you how to do it right now. So guys, when you're on Netflix, if you're getting this problem that everyone seems to be running into, all right, it basically is two reasons. It's either a server or it's the country. So if you're trying to watch something, let's go for example Sing 2. It's a really good one to use because in the UK we cannot watch it, right? So as you can see, Sing 2 is not here, okay? It's not on UK. Now if I go over here and connect to the United States, it's going to take a little bit of time, right? You'll see now that it actually pops up. Now the only reason it wouldn't pop up is if you need to change the server. For example, if I go into Costa Rica, all right, and we try and refresh this, it says you are not connected to the internet. Basically what this is saying to you is you need to change your server. It's really that easy, right? So do not worry thinking that you have to change whole country. Just go into here on the menu, go down, you can change server. I want to change to the New York server. All right, quick connect to New York and it will go straight in there. All right, all these servers, every different server is different. What Netflix is trying to do is actually block you from you doing this, all right? But they cannot block the whole country. These servers are changing all the time. So to change the server, change it in, and that's how easy it can be. Same in any country. In the United Kingdom, you can go Edinburgh, Glasgow, London, all these different servers, these regions, all right? In each region, there's a different server you can see and just click on them, okay? Super, super easy. This is the best way to unlock it. On your Netflix, then you can just get on and watch as much as you want. That's how you get it done, guys. Leave us a like, leave us a subscribe, and leave the bell hit if you want to be notified on the next tip, the next VPN that we got going, all right? Please visit onlyvpns.net. We are trying our very best to get the stuff out to you as quick as possible. I've had a good time. See you on the next video.